In this video I will tell you how to repair your Samsung heat pump tumble dryer if the drum of the dryer doesn't rotate anymore. This is the dryer, and in the case the drum doesn't rotate, there is a problem and a cause. It still can be turned by hand but needs a lot of force. The cause is that the air fan runs against the wall of the fan housing. The cause is that the engine suspension is not stable enough. This is the damaged fan. You can see on this fan that there is some damage because it's running against the fan housing. And here you can see the fan house and the motor for turning around the drum. And the solution is stabilizing the motor suspension by supporting it with a wooden wedge or anything else. And in the next picture I will show you how I fixed this problem. It was a very simple solution, and the dryer is still functioning.